Birdwatching isn't just a hobby, it's a hidden survival guide in nature's lush text. Observing birds provides clues to food sources, water, and even weather changes, benefiting any outdoor enthusiast. For instance, the sight of swallows skimming low could indicate impending rain, while distant crows might lead you to water. Practical advice is to carry a simple guidebook and binoculars, aiding in identification and interpretation of avian behavior. An insightful anecdote involves a group of stranded hikers who navigated their way back to safety by following the migration path of local birds. Understanding these feathered friends not only enriches outdoor experiences, but also becomes an invaluable survival tool in the wild.